Fabric House by Lam Nin Architects plus 90odesign in Ho Chi Minh City, Saigon, Vietnam. The project is located in a closed residential area in Ho Chi Minh City, with a tropical monsoon climate all year round. The house faces straight west, with relatively hot daytime temperatures. Hot and humid temperatures make anti-heat solutions a top priority. The design team proposed a solution to pull back the front space by floor, with the principle that the upper floor extends about 2.5 m above the lower floor. With the above option, the building block forms an inverted funnel shape, avoiding too much sunlight impacting the front of the building. In addition, the design team also proposed the solution of heat-resistant layers. With the first layer, the green layer, trees are covered with drooping leaves to create a feeling of filtering out direct heat from the sun. The second layer, the fabric layer, is a layer of wooden slats designed in a square system to reduce 50% of direct light from the sun. In particular, the layers still allow cold convection air to enter the building. With these design options, the house is protected and creates a cool space all year round. The front of the building is used with local materials, such as sandstone, natural wood, and especially hanging trees. Inspired by simple solutions and square shapes, the project emphasizes balancing living spaces adapted to users, feeling nature through light and wind.